Here's our hot tub. Give you the story behind it. Christmas time, minus 40 outside, power goes out. This tub is fairly old. The tub doesn't restart itself. We didn't realize it until the next day or so that the power had gone off and you have to go reset the breaker. I put all this extra insulation in there thinking I had a great idea. I had extra spray foam. No insulation on the heater line. Doesn't take long for that to freeze solid. So by the time we got to this tub, this line was frozen solid. The water inside the tub wasn't frozen, but we emptied it at midnight when it was minus 40 outside. So in springtime, this is what we had to replace. We took this piece right here, had to source all new parts. I had to tear off all the spray foam that I had put on here. And when we fired it up in springtime there and got the water running, we had a leak happening around here somewhere. We had to remove all the foam, and we had a leak right there, and we had a leak past that curve back over there on the flexible pipe. We couldn't join it anywhere along here, so I had to buy all those parts, re-glue it, cut off all these flexible pipes, get some new pipe, and get joiners everywhere. It took me a while to source all the parts. We got all the parts, ran short, so I ended up just using these ones and some clamps, which work just fine. That's like $1.50. These plastic ones are $7 each. So we ended up using a couple of these ones because that's what I had at home here. We glued everything together, got it up and running, and it's running like new. Even better, actually. So not easy to fix, but we got her done. Now we will winterize this thing in about a month, about beginning of November. Drain it all out, winterize it, and get it running again in springtime. In the meantime, we got to stop the mice from getting inside. While I was working here, I made a few holes. We're going to fill these holes with some of this stuff. We don't want mice running around in here trying to keep themselves warm. And there you have it. From this to making it work there. Just takes time and a little investigation. We got her working. Hope that works for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hopefully it helps you out. See you on our next project.